one is kare-kare.
It is kare-kare.
It's good.
Yes, it's very healthy.
What is this?
It is barbecue.
Not beef?
No, not beef at all. It is all vegetables.
Very nice.
So may nakapagsabi sa amin, ano ba naman yan? Walang laman yung episode nyo. Eh, ginawa namin ng episode na walang laman. So ngayon, ito yung episode na meatless pero lasa pa rin karne. Para sa mga health conscious and image conscious na mga Albayano. Watch this. Yan, aminin na natin, ang dahilan kung bakit pinapanood mo tong video to is gusto mo matikman yung pagkain dun sa featured restaurant natin. Or yung ibang pinaka-concern naman talaga is, ano ba talaga lasa niyan? Para naman dun sa mga highly conscious about what they eat or about how they look. Last but not the least is para dun sa mga advocate ng veganism and vegetarianism. Okay, so let's talk about your veggie wrap. Ano yung usual na feedback ng mga nakakain niya?
Yes, it has rich in filling. Talagang masarap na masarap. Bawat kagat, talagang nanunuot yung sarap. Plus, it has Indian twist and talagang masarap.
So, marami na yung nakatry ng veggie curry ninyo. So, ano yung usual feedback ng mga Tagalog na nakatry na?
Oo. Masarap siya at masarap iulam sa kanin, masarap din sa tinapay, pero talagang babalik-balikan. And it's really affordable.
So, parang sa mga nanonood tapos hindi pa nakatry ng veggie curry ninyo. So, can you tell us more about it?
Para ka lang kumain ng chicken curry in a vegan version and it has a Mediterranean twist. Ganun lang.
So, let's talk about the controversial barbecue. Ano yung comment ng customer nyo? Top 3 comments ni customers.
Chewy, my name is Miss, and it has Filipino twist naman ito.
Pero hindi siya kami, di ba?
Hindi pa rin siya kami.
Okay, alright. So, ang daming barbecue sa Albay. This one's kind of different, right? So, ano pagkakaiba niya sa mga barbecue sa labas?
Of course, when you eat our barbecue, Prasadam barbecue, no high blood, walang cholesterol.
Nice.
Okay, walang diabetes. So, lahat healthy.
Personal favorite is yung veggie wrap. I'm a big fan of Indian and Mediterranean food, so gusto ko yung Mediterranean twist. And yung feeling na kapag kinain mo siya, hindi ka bloated. So, it will give you a sense of guilt-free feeling. So, pro health talaga. Not me. So, gusto nyo i-try na libre? There's gonna be a question at the end of the video. Follow that and share this to your friends.